Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Green tea for the first time. Anyway, oh my god, let us start working. All right. So, where were we? I don't know where we were. All right, let me just start the. Just activate the environment, source, VN, then activate, and then let me just start the UVCon app reload. And we have our website live in this address. Let's just follow it, and we have it right here. Yeah, baby. Yep. So this is what we have right now. What I wanted to do was whenever I change all these things, I have to send a request to the server or the API backend to the API, and then the API responds with a correct graph. It's a pretty simple thing, but I do not know any. I don't know any of these things. We're learning together. Let's learn. But the end result is I want a working app that I can upload my bank statements to, and it can analyze everything and give me valuable insights. Not valuable insights, some basic insights about where my money is getting spent. Right now, I'm spending a lot of money on stupid shit, but I don't know where everything is going, and it's very difficult to just keep track of it manually. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. This tea sucks, by the way. This tea sucks. Um, so where were we? Some notes. This is the to-do list. If you can see me, that would be great. You get used to retrieve data such as UPI expense, income, or other information from the server, typically visible, sent from the browser. Post. Used to add or delete or in general change data in the server's record. To mostly select the data that I want, I'll be using the get request for my work, because why am I using just get request? Because I have to just intimate the browser that this category is selected. In the future, if I send data queries or say SQL data queries to the API, then I will be using post uh, from my browser. So right now, let us just set up. Right now, let us just set up get queries. So what we have here is home.html. have some plants in the background. I have this home.html. You just get. I have this thing. Category equal to income over there. This is not just something that I wanted. So instead of this category change, category plus equal to income. Oh, wait a minute. Is it just doing test.html home? It's doing home2.html. That's why it's having a problem. I want home.html, not home2. Right? What is home2? Home2.html is. Oh, it is this thing. It is the same thing only, right? Oh, it's the inside card. Alright, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this thing to this thing. Let's just keep this thing here and comment everything out here. I should comment everything out here and then copy this whole thing, Control C, and then paste this thing. Control V. Save it, run it. So we have everything, and right now we should get something. What is happening? There's nothing here. Oh, it is. It is not showing the redirect, right? Am I getting something? Another question. See, I'm just trying to get. I don't want to redirect anything. Whenever I select, I just want to see if the content type is getting the value is getting sent to the backend, and my backend has to print the whole thing. Is it printing? Why is it not printing? I'm not sure. Why is it not printing? Uh, print data is received. This thing is not getting called. Uh, oh, in order to get this one, we have to redirect it somehow. Most example, man. I just saw that. there are these post and get operations from the app, but we do not know how to send data from the client to fast API. I'll just say using get request. Request body. What will I do if I fix this stuff? Why do I need all these things? I just want to send this thing. 'That is a fetch thing, right? எரர்ன்றது வந்து ஒரு இது மாதிரி போல. It's a keyword, I think. Console.error. Why is cat's not a keyword, man? What the heck? How to see console? F12 inspect பண்ணும்போது console. Cool, bro. When it's trying to execute this thing, error fetching details ஏதாவது வந்துச்சா? Why is it not hot? Why is it not? Request method cannot have body. Okay, if I just say this value instead of everything, I just say this thing, and what I do is I will just create another thing. Excuse me. Oops. Uh, so now, mhm, something has happened. I cannot save this. Cha. Come on. What happened? Come on. Uh, something is coming. Something is coming. Test it is coming, but category income. URL. Question mark எடுத்துட்டு question mark எடுத்துட்டு இது எப்படி வச்சுட்டா excuse me. Data is received. Function called. Yes, see, good question mark ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. And again we have some error. HTTP dot not found. So at least something is happening, and I am able to get the income or the expenditure or something, right? Savan. Oh yeah, they, they. But we do not know what if it is get or post or something. It's a get thing. Um, we have everything. Okay. All right. Who's going to use fetch? I'm sorry. Sorry, chat. Friends between window. If I have a drop down menu that just updates the graph, I would use fetch instead of of href. How do I send the selected option to the backend? Exactly, the page should stay where it is, and only the graph must substitute. You should use fetch, not Windows. Right? Yes. ನಮ್ಮ divide JavaScript is the function updater once accuracy graph selected by ID graph select dot value by ID. There is an ID diff ID container diff ID graph select ID. Okay, right. For the identification, unify choice is selected. Then response equal to response.json. And then data is equal to data. What the hell? Update the graph on page. What is inner HTML? Say, gets the selected data from JSON to the DOM. What the hell is DOM? What is this, man? Data DOM? What is that? Document object model. You take- What is this thing doing? Other question. Then data. What is this thing? What is this? What is this? What is this? Fetch does not return the server response immediately. Instead, it returns a promise, which is a box that will contain data in the future. Where when the server responds to work with the data, we use that then registers a function that runs when the promise finishes. Idinadra, what is this? This function returns the element so JavaScript can change. Data is the JSON response from the server. Oh, right. Alright. Instead here, based on this, this will be okay. I have this idea. This thing. Just copy this. Go and put it in my readme.md and example of using fetch with get. How to add a piece of code to Mm, survive. Triple backticks are 1, 2, 3. Pro JS. அதே மாதிரி இங்கேயும் you have 1, 2, 3. Is it correct? Can you catch my point? Alright. You can see this markdown file. How to view the markdown file in markdown viewer. How to view markdown file? I have to see it open it with this thing now. It's not working, man. I feel nauseating because of this thing. Cha. How do I even put codes, man? What the hell? Put three backticks in wrong. Is backtick this one? Oh shit. Okay, okay. I'm using quotation mark. This is backtick. Ah, fine. Shit, man. Very good, Ashok. Okay. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. But unfortunately, we are running out of time, and it's 7:30 right now. I must start this stream so early. Oh my god. Anyway, just when I get my focus in perfectly, something happens and I just go back. It's bad, yeah. Maybe I should start streaming in the evenings. I should do that. It's very difficult. I just want to do some. I can just. Maybe I should just. What I can do is. I should have like 3 hour a session, a 3 hour continuous session where I can just stream for hours and hours and hours. 7:32. So this is what I'm going. The data is the response from Fast API that will have the HTML code. Data changes. Okay, cool. Something to say. It's something so simple. This is what it's good. I've never developed that. We are learning something, and we learn it together. I do not know how the quality of the whole thing is there, but right now I'm pretty selfish, and I'm pretty selfish. I'm just learning and all the. I'm just uh, putting some effort into all these things, but I do not know if the sound or uh, the quality of the audio or the quality of how I'm talking is good or not. Right now, it is just me pushing content out. Uh, I didn't even check the sound quality, man. I think it should be fine. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And in the next time, we'll implement the actual uh, 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 injection of updated whenever I update or the user updates the option the buttons or the elements in the HTML code. The server must render the part which will change as a result of updating it from by the user, not the entire thing, because loading and reloading the entire page is kind of slow. I just want the things that needs updating to be updated. அது மட்டும் தான் அப்டேட் ஆகணும், வேற எதுவுமே அப்டேட் ஆகக்கூடாது, right? And that's why we are doing all this thing. Anyway, that's a video for another day, and let's make some progress. Thank you. Bye bye.